Yo guys, Dominic here, and today in this video I'm going to be doing Hell's Revenge in Moab, Utah. So I just want to make this video because why not? Also because online I don't see a lot of videos of Hell's Revenge, and me and my dad weren't that sure about doing this trail. So I decided to make this video just to tell you what this trail is all about and to show you what this trail is all about. My dad and I have a Honda Talon 4-seater, and we did this trail mostly just fine. We made a few wrong turns and sections were sketchy. I don't know if they were a part of the trail or not, but one thing that I recommend if you have a off-roading machine that isn't built to do like insane stuff, let's just say this, if you're not intending on doing Hell's Gate, then just follow the main trail, go back the same way you came in. That's one piece of advice, because we went down this hill. I didn't want to film on my phone, and my GoPro's dead to where it's just pretty sketchy, and we didn't know what to do. It's either that we go down and hope that there's a way out, or we get airlifted by a helicopter, which wouldn't be a lot of fun. Oh, by the way, this piece of drone footage is from the Colorado River overlook, which is at the top of the trail. So with this trail, I feel like it was beautiful and it's just cool. Sections of the trail wasn't as bad as we thought. One reason why is because I'd imagine that this trail gets a lot of traffic. And it's the most well-known trail in Moab, to where it kind of carve out the rock just enough to where it'd make it a little bit more smooth. So if you don't feel comfortable with doing this, if you're worried about doing this, then you don't have to. One thing is, ain't no shame if you cannot do these obstacles, because there were a few things that just seemed a little bit too sketchy for my dad and I, so we didn't do them. So that's just one recommendation I have. So enjoy yourself on this trail. I highly recommend you do this. If you're in Moab and you have a side-by-side, do this trail. Just give it a try. You could always turn around. There's a lot of turnaround spots. In worst case, if you get yourself into trouble, then you are safe because there's a lot of people around. Okay, so the GoPro footage is sped up just because I don't want this video to be like an hour long or something like that. But there's this feature in YouTube which will allow you to slow it down. So if you want to slow it down, then you may. But let's roll the footage. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Where the video stopped was where the Colorado River overlook is. We didn't do Hell's Gate, but I'm intending on this video for being for people who are like my dad and I that don't have the capability to be able to do something like Hell's Revenge. And we do have the capability, but we just choose not to because we just feel like we're better off not risking our machine. I would have filmed the crazy way we went back, but with my phone, I didn't want to stress my dad out or stuff like that just because we were in a pretty crazy situation. My GoPro battery was dead, but if you're gonna go back, I just recommend going back the way we came and coming in the way we came. I still do have a few pieces of footage that I did film with my phone at a somewhat decent time. Maybe not all at the best, but I'll show you the footage right now. The line is just straight down. One more video that I want to show you is of a tour guide in a Hummer going down into Mickey's hot tub, and I filmed it with my phone because it was crazy. This video is sped up, but I highly recommend you watch this. Alright, I'm going to wrap off the video here, so please leave a like, subscribe, feel free to leave a comment, and I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Until later, peace out.